Christopher, what's the matter? What's the matter? You're wearing short sleeves. It's warm outside. You don't need long sleeves. I can't stretch them. I can't stretch the sleeves. You need to wear short sleeves today.
He wants you to make them longer. On it, buddy. It's going to be 82 degrees. It's going to be hot today.
Christopher, look at Mama. It's okay. Are you taking me to your drawer? Oh, no, he's trying to get the Thomas jammies. What? Christopher.